I'm a U.S. citizen, right? And I filed for my husband. He's currently a green card holder. He has a son from a prior relationship. The son, he's my stepson. He's currently 12 years old. We did an I-130. Well, he did an I-130 as a green card holder for his son. We did that back in 2022, and of course, it's still pending. My husband, he just did the N-400 to file for citizenship, and we just got approval for his fingerprint. So he just did his fingerprint today.
How old is his son?
12.
Okay. Why didn't you file for him, just out of curiosity? Because you're the stepmom, you're the U.S. citizen.
Yeah, we didn't know. So he did it, unfortunately. So that's why I guess it's pending. So my question is, once he gets his citizenship, my husband, can he do an adjustment of status?
Son's here in the U.S.?
Yes, he lives with us now. He's been here since 2020.
Yeah, the day your husband becomes a citizen, the next day you put in adjustment. And ultimately, because the son's 11 or 12 years old, the son will get approved before he's 18, that's for sure. So he's living with his U.S. citizen father, will actually become a U.S. citizen.
Okay, so what form is the adjustment form?
I-45.
The only issue is, wow, as I said, he has that paperwork in since 2020, and my husband is currently in the process of getting citizenship. Unfortunately, my 12-year-old son decided he wanted to be stupid and do a prank phone call with, basically, currently he's being charged with communicating threats of mass violence, which is quote unquote terrorism, because he made a prank phone call to say that he's gonna kill people, whatever. So we don't have a court date or anything.
Are you being charged as parents?
No, we're not being charged. It's just him.
That should not affect your husband's citizenship.
The question I'm asking, after my husband gets his citizenship, should we continue to do his paperwork for my son?
This is the same son who's waiting on his green card as the one who cranked the school?
Yes.
Yes, because as a 12-year-old, he won't be charged with a crime. I assume you're in family court as a juvenile delinquency and not being charged as an adult. And certainly you should do it immediately, because I hope he never does anything stupid again. But if he does, at least he's a citizen, so he won't get deported. Basically,
just continue with this process. So as soon as my husband gets his citizenship, the next day, just do adjustment of status for our son?
Yes. Yes. Because
right now with the crime, we don't know anything.
You need a lawyer. You need a lawyer for two reasons. One,
okay, go ahead.
You're doing everything wrong. You didn't even know that you should have filed for him. And two, he has a juvenile delinquency and threats of violence. And even though you can't have bad moral character as an 11, 12-year-old, I'm sure he's in family court. It's going to be juvenile delinquency. You need lawyers.
I need criminal and immigration lawyers?
No, I don't know about a criminal lawyer. I don't, whatever you need criminal lawyer in North Carolina, but you certainly need an immigration lawyer. That's for sure. All right, hold on one second.